Our primary role is to deliver energy to customers. So we're delivering energy solutions, all the way from extraction of gas to delivering power to utilities, ultimately end customers. So we are implementing additive manufacturing. And our remit is to essentially take this new technology, find solutions for it within our gas turbine product line.
What do we do in Siemens PG Additive is providing additive services to the external world. And what we really are basing that offering into the external world on is the decade of experience that we have internally as a user of additive in our Siemens gas turbine business.
In years past, you'd always end up in choppy processes, transmitting data between one platform to another platform, and you always have a chance of losing something along the line. I think the biggest game changer that we've seen with NX and the use of NX has been the transitioning from our older platforms into a platform where we can go from concept to essentially printing on the machine.
You know, before we may have done 2 or 3 build jobs before we got what we would consider a production-ready part to carry through a PPQ process, whereas now we might do it once. So you're able to reduce that prototyping time by a lot.
What we're seeing with our development times is they're reducing by almost 75%, and that means we can turn over designs, we can iterate on designs much faster. The other side of that is once we have a design, and if it's a conventional process like casting, we see 50% reduction in lead times to get those parts manufactured.
With the tools, the otherwise tedious iterations can be automated to some extent, and then that essentially transfers to a faster time to market and more efficient engineering. And we actually find that very valuable when it comes to advanced gas turbine component design.
We've got about 3,000 R&D engineering seats that are using NX. This has been their standard software for the last at least 5 years. And now with the additive module coming in, and if you look at the entire additive business, we've got over 100 engineers between design and manufacturing that are benefiting from the additive module that's within the NX software now. So our guys are seeing a much more accelerated pace, that they can move their ideas and their concepts into serial product through the use of NX and having that seamless digital flow.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.